Aha. Kwa hiyo umeamua kuumwaga mchele kwenye kuku wengi. Mbona mimi na yako siyasemi? Mwanaume gani wewe? Kutwa kujilizaliza. Sehemu ya kulia mimi, unalia wewe. Ukirudi nyumbani, unalala tu. Haujali mwenzako nimekula, nimeshiba au nina njaa. Au niwaambie watu kama mchezaji majeruhi, kwa mwezi unacheza mara moja tu. Niache!
Dada, maneno unayamwaga hayo.
Niache. Wewe umeamua kuyamwaga. Kuanzia leo, watu wote na
Masuke maneno mwanchu muligelio Getembe television andons asoberete chinsinyo inye chiense ni tariki 29 kuruwaiga Africa mu saibere chiabono mogoroba bunengenchere ekyonga chinsaibere kuru chinseme chiga chiabusongo asense miribi manyiriryo noyo minto ven nyabuke nchenkuru kwa authentic Denis naya ngati yali yang letera sinchira yobo ikirano
Gavana ito gavana toko sikete to wanchete ne cabinet yao amuna bapunge bonse beba Kisii county na kiyane ko babuya obarorege kakiyabwango
echiro ya maligiti ime yomochie obosongo kuya obutukubugo kiera lero.
The bottom to the top. He however got into power and it drove him crazy. He started taxing us kiholela.
Omujumbe bw'ebunge ya kitutu cha Chisauti Musike Anthony Kibagendi kugenderera kumochia serikali ya Kenya Kwanza.
You can actually make mistakes and then things can go wrong. And if they have gone wrong, the right thing to do is to step forward and say, hey, good people, we think something is not going the right way. Can we now speak?
Ense nebwatu mochando monene ayuna manganaye Omusike Fred Okengo Matiangi guchia serikali ya Kenya Kwanza. Mwanchu muligeri tukuchaka asoroboti rumo ichano kurua asomochie obosongo abuo aso echiro ya maligiti yabwatu muliro na kuyiago ikakoera obutukubo gukira rero abuo asenibo y'abanyabiasara yabegosaleka onyana bo ekiregia chakiro muliro iyo nkeramanyikana kulende na onyana bonigo abamenyi benseme iyo babeire bakolere kiagera abange babo no bakonyora engeria yabo yokomenya
sana abana ba mama abangi baba basaje nabo bale mayiga abana basaje baba basirire nandeke rukendeke neneneke gakinya sati gakonyo ndi bwensi obwato mu bangoyo gakinya sata mu amolembe nere na mu ntubuna afanyi biashara bechiro njino ya mawa nje bintu bya no byarenge arikini mbije tinto takonya bike lakini abangi na baitu bechi nyeni abangi na baitu ba serious omongi no itoko to supply serious at least na are mpaka list abwate stock yesterday 800,000 chalere mali
finance bire ko yeto tere account muno toko jogwa kurende gadi nkwango toko jogwa ase nyoto ibwete ngabone muri weito toka ba shwadi abantu babinda mungi wele inga tarehe 17 serikali yeto county njabe geta appeal igoro wole mobo wotere ko weito erinde elio amangana uchenzi echikobwati kare abikire budget yabero gukumia asobo tukuwabo ukira lero ko oliga gakie serikali yetu achali imekuwa omo gavana ito gavana toko sikete to wanchete ne cabinet yao amuna bapunge bonse be bakisi county na kiyale ngoko babuya obaro lege kakia bwango na mbeyemo mumanyinga obole mobo bali bakukira mukobo bwabo na bato sambera
Your Excellency, digo toko gosaba ngora konyora abantu nturateba gusina gwasa mbanga rongeri nasokie grip gekoro kinga obore muno bwaye ntuakwa nanga kero tuajeda Swansuri office ntuoroga tikute map of this market mune boundary ya itoye market yengana togo sabaiga the governor Simbarat amona ba MCA bao naba chumbe bakere constituency twasabire iga mochema abangina nkorera tole naitwa baraitwareri inchomo namnango kwana iga nasali ya mali abwata around 150 aswete igor mali ana ire tetari medali togo sabango toko ye togo sabayo moyeno soka muna mokoli gichikura yabo igo bono soka talinga ki akura chire mochega mutukwanire
ekire gukwirira nari buria no nyene ncho munyene omorogi okugoitera omwana morogi ondo goitera ng'ombe no morogi okugosambira nyumba bonstari abarogi chinga kiche chebarai kurwase county ya Kisii bakora no deputy governor Muskelijo Bebo mbaikirana asenseme yokoremia abananchi abo nabego nigo bali irabuna nigo barachi kubwatirana kwaga chechire ibuya
manioli gari ogenda se forestiane onyore bisigisa byonzi pi maiweta bantu baminto ojakira bono nonde na inuga iga ojake kupima elina bantu bajake kuagacha onto tayora jane konye moyende moyo onyene moyo na simbo nde tayora nganye onde tayo wato bole mogaiga ngobono ngojaka tole kuagacha bono ikachama ni yetu wa msini kotini na ameshinda. Angekuja ambia wananchi ameshinda kesi, tujue tunawachukua wapi. Lakini kwa hiyo kesi hakuna kitu tunakubaliana. Na kesi county ilirudisha kotini, tukashinda, tukasema soko ijengwe hapa. Igomwa mtonde bwesta hiyo chake kubole mubono bwechiro. Binadamu wafanywe mambo kama haya hapa nyuma. Inakuaje kwamba leo hii watakuja mipango ifanywe ichomwe hapa peke yake mali nyingine isiguswe? Huo ni ungwana kweli? Hata kama ni kipofu si tunaona na tutatora maji. Serikali ya county kiongozwa na mheshimiwa Paul Simbarati mbale kama tupone kwa ile ndege hii ngoikara tukono wara erebu yako serebu na maombi asubuhi na mapema ndoara. Wale wote wamepata janga, wamepata shida hii yote. Number 1, hoteli tunafanyia hapa. Hii mabaki yote takataka hii tunatoa hii wamechoma. Hapa ngileo kifikia manganani.
Sasa wako ni matunda. Na ile ni bono mamina nyori lege tete. Na iteko kia kunile mono, kuno galibo monchari. Na nchi la kinate lego koikanga chaiga ndela mona iwe. Mbobe na kolile. Ona senge chama ibade la kwanila. Mate bilenga kerokende gaseta ka immediately. Na nchi mule ndego ngote na nchi ukambe kwa boko na tende Somalia 20,000 shillings. We support you. We can use Kenya na mnabiana egera watu wetu wana kwenda na biashara yao.
Umujumbe ukitutu chache South Musike Anthony Kibagendi ritukulia lero niga iraribaga na koerera emirobiri yonsi na magenderera akorera se constituency yae. Nabo Musike Kibagendi nigate babuna igarama yobugima nigera nkongu asaburirie abakenya bonsi kumusira Dr. Fred Matiang'i ase kirogo kyo president engakiegocha robot yuru asinchira wekera no muri Gabriel Nyakundi.
Mubunge webunge ya kitutu cha South County ya Kisii Anthony Kibagendi litukole rero ni goira libagalia yo kwerera mangana ao ya magendero akoleire abananchi bensemo eyo asiboigo aganirie baraboko ba chinga kichingia abarai bale as abc nigo alengeko yakwana as umeyigabu muchango uko yichangira ekanisa ya St Monica Kiamwasi.
For the support you gave me to become your member of parliament. Kuna mwangete gasi, mumaete gasi ngokora through our roads that we have rehabilitated. E basari kero montongo nyorare. This time round e basari ya TVET ya technical teachers training colleges na KMTC na nero yoka ya tereriu ekosoka kuchakera tariki 10. However, secondary schools and all the universities, all our children have gotten their bursaries. So we have tried to rehabilitate our roads. Our roads are in a slightly better condition. We may not be able to do all the roads at once. Lakini ndopate resources inkego chokorosi para chirichikorosi unakera. Eche constituency. Echinde igochire eche county. Ne county nero talina nebwate chibesera asukorosi para chionsi at the same time. That is why they have priorities in every financial year.
Nigoboigo amentana kugania abagusi gochicha amo iri kumubwatisia umuske Fred Okengo Matiang'i asiganga yayo kuligia urai wense asatebire nigo serikali yabono nigo ere embemono
parliament igo mogo totoma tochiko bakongeri obogimago tochiko bororobia na kiko bateberiga se bali mogo somebu. If you read Proverbs 29 chapter 2, when the righteous are in power, the people rejoice. When the wicked are in power, and that is why Kenyans all over the country are crying. We made a mistake in 2022 to elect a president who would winked us that he would bring us from the bottom to the top. He, however, got into power and it drove him crazy. He started taxing us kiholela. He has messed up our health system. He has messed up the education system. He has messed up the economy. And that is why today, here and now, I want to ask the people of Kiamwasi, na bugetutu chache South Yonsipi, tupuaterane 2027 tunyare korenta mabadilika sense ikote kunyare kana kupuaterana tole tokanye Matiang'i malenga male tayari kupuaterana si Matiang'i kupuaterana tole wanataka Fred akuje to fix this country, to fix the economy, fix health, fix education, and fix everything else that has been messed by the one and only Kasongo.
Ripoteria egetaseni wanjite kianda gikumi kegatembe kuruanse bunge ya kitutu cha South County ya Kisii iritariane Nyakundi Gabriel.
Bia mono sana mulikito Gabriel Nyakundi roboti urukuru asumo jumbe Kibagendi ntonkule boria nkiringa burara kini nonyene kirabangina baiga bago kuiriria atira kabisa ego mwana siasa mungina naro kuiriria to bolimo timanyeti erineri swali litokora atewa nga rhetorical question. Uyo kabiru mwaziri bubulendi ase serikali enkoro muske Daktari Fred Okengo Matiang'i nigatebire buna aba Kenya mbali n'ubururu bonge yenkubwatekana n'abantu abange meyensa bero gukwana na barabo ekikekwirira abange barobekana na gusalie nibo negaburirie abarayi barase serikali kwaneka ngango kwana bali n'aba Kenya unenchira yamo yokoenekia ngango tegerera bali na kuigwa ebirengerero byabo.
I know some of these wonderful people who are in government. I have worked with some of them before. I do not want to believe that the problem they have is capacity. It isn't capacity. I know some of them. They are smart people. I think they understand the country. Sometimes we get very surprised when we see the things they talk. Because we know them. We know what they can do. They are capable. So we are encouraging them. We don't want to criticize them. We want to encourage them to stand up, rise up, crank together and get some work done. and carry the burden, sometimes the pleasurable burden of leadership with dignity and grace, and stand out for the country now. So mimi kwa maoni yangu, that's why you have noticed I'm not focusing so much on, talking about siasa and stuff like that. I mean, which siasa are you talking about? 19 people dead. That's what the Kenya Human Rights Commission says. There's so many injured, businesses destroyed. If you look at the looting that was done around, I wonder, finally, let me say this, and I'm saying this with absolute sincerity. I have been moving around, talking to people. I go to, meet people. Look here, I am in charge here today, sitting with these leaders. The level of bitterness and anger down below in the country is unprecedented. I have not seen that before. Now, to imagine that there's nothing wrong and carry on as if it's business as usual, honestly, you have to be a very strange person. We are asking our brothers and sisters, and then, as I said, this is a patriotic moment. This is a time for the country. And what is being called upon now, it's also a leadership moment. Let's stand up and do the right thing for our country. And it cannot be based on excuses, some of them laughable. And in saying so, we are saying this is a patriotic moment. It's a moment for all of us to cross ranks. Wacha tuweke kando hata hiyo mambo ingine yote, siasa nini, we're talking about uchaguzi is 25 or 26 months away. Our country must survive first, and we must be a stable nation before we get there. So let us not even stop talking about those businesses, about elections and stuff like that. Focus on the stability of the country, the welfare of our children. Tuongee sisi wote pamoja. I don't understand why this is it's so difficult. And then when a problem has happened, accepting that we have a challenge does not make you less important, does not take away the power of your office, does not make you a small person. We are human beings. You can actually make mistakes, and then things can go wrong. And if they have gone wrong, the right thing to do is to step forward and say, hey, good people, we think something is not going the right way. Can we now speak? I mean, the Bible is the most quoted text, even by our leaders in government. That same Bible says, come now, let us reason together. It's time for reasoning together for the purpose of ensuring that our country is going the right direction.
Abagusini go babuli gwego chamo na gukwana neryo girimo bunegesaku aya nigo akwanirwe noyo mu baba na siasa kurwa Kitutu Central oyo origetikero kyobo MCO Musike Joshua Olinobegi oyo boigo buliria basaye kwirali bagali ya mutwe kwene kinga amagenderero gusengutene na bali na kubulia amagenderero obegi nigaya kwana yegeme ya Kiamwasi asaikira mwego yomo bwikanisa
hapa kama viongozi na kiongozi wa eneo hili la Kitutu Central Ward ili kuhakikisha kwamba tunasukuma gurudumu ya kazi ya Mwenyezi Mungu. Tumefika hapa leo kwa ajili ya mchango wa kanisa letu la Kiamwasi, parish iko hapa na ombi langu ni kwamba tushirikiane kama watu wetu wote, asua sisi watu wa eneo hili la Gusii region, tushikane pamoja kwa maana vile dunia yetu inaonekana na vile mambo yanavyoenda inaonekana tusiposhikana pamoja kama jamii, inaonekana kwamba hata kwa kazi mambo ya maendeleo kama haya yametuleta hapa siku ya leo na mambo mengine ya mashule watoto wetu itakuwa ni vigumu sana. Kwa hivyo ombi langu kwa watu wetu wote pamoja na viongozi wa eneo hili ni kwamba tushikamane pamoja, tukuje pamoja, tupendane kwa ajili ya ile kazi ambayo iko mbele yetu na tushirikiane ili tuweze kuhakikisha kwamba wakati unapowadia vijana wetu ambao wameonekana kuwa na ghadhabu sana na uongozi unaoendelea katika nchi yetu wapate kushika kura zao vizuri na wajitokeze inapofika wakati wa kupiga kura hizi. Hayo ni yale tu tunayoomba watu wetu na tukimtarajia Mwenyezi Mungu aweze kutujalia. Asanteni sana.
Muligereria eviungo mbiri tubwata somo bire yaito bire byengencho mono asobo moyo bwa mwanya bantu anene go tugukwanira obongo amonenkoro robot yoroiga ni gorore rumo ichano mono kurende tigankumanyinga oyo lingo monchire which mask oyo manyire bona Boniface Kariuki oyo rekone chi mask asenga kiyo korobekana guchitariki gosora situ chitariki 15 na ibere kinga ki abasaya bagenzi bari kurobekana iri kwamira ryo gwitwa kwaye Albert Juang nigo gwikira obutuko bw'igoro abanyagitari bararitinga obongo bwaye bwakure obongo bwaye bwakure ekerebono giene kigwe amo ne familiae.
Received a call at around midnight. It was at around 12:47 midnight from the hospital itself. They needed to have a brief with us, and we have already received the brief. We have been told what is happening, and the reality of the things, what is happening is that Boniface Mwangi Kariuki is confirmed to be brain dead. So that's where and how far we are. The hospital bill now is quite higher. We are at 3 point something now. So we are praying and hoping now for the well-wishers, because now when somebody has been confirmed brain dead, we know what it means. So the brainstem of Boniface Mwangi Kariuki, it's not working any longer. So for all the well-wishers, we as the family of Boniface Mwangi Kariuki, we cry upon you, because a lot of hopes and promises were being given to us, but none has come through. So on behalf of that, we were given a pay bill for the medical bill fund, whereby is 7682-551 account. It's your name. And the name that it will reflect out of that pay bill, it's Boniface Mwangi Kariuki Medical Fund. So hapo ndipo tuko. Thank you.
Hasi bano mwancho muligire n'enganire yo mwichano nga Boniface Kariuki obongo bwaye already bukwete lakini ndo igwete ngenkolera abanyagitari bagote ango akere kego to challenge sana gose changamoto buna mwanya bantu nga karole moyo nonye bintu bire bikongu bulemeru boro shukuru Mungu na ende kiboko na gokene opportunity nga Nyasaye ogwancheire kwa bumuntu uri gaigai nara yuchinga kichanganyiro kumanyia sekionga chinsa ibero mwanchu muligere kumatenga kama kawa kama dawa litukulia Jumapili igikaro abageni bane tayari nyugwete nga bayikira sensemeri ende studio unakwarora se poste hiyo ngukwanera umweshimiwa Dr. Nancy Onsongo iko na mamaeta bukale buna litororo tema etiko sana chenjeti eriete ringoto tebyar abayigo omusike Vicky Onderi aka Echararani nabwo abageni mbwate Human Rep chiganyireire asege ikaro kiabono toskatambe igonkuru kwa Authentic Dennis Oulu.
Eduka yobomo ya Uhuru Superstores Limited nero eduka cholide ili kubatuka chirangi cha Crown Paints eyure company nambe yemo eyo korose chirangi meyense yiga ya Kenya. Crown Paints nigo emanyira sokoro isya ebintu biriya bikomanya seka ngo kwanira chirangi ejo boyigo chire chichi brand ao ejo chire chingi ya kirage chirangi chiga nigo chire chibirengo ao punabono mbabwata chirangi cyo gwakwa imeye nyumba iziko ye nyumba chire chikomentera nibwa amavuta yani oil na bwigo chiriya chia mache inyoranga chirangi chiga nigo chire korwase chire cheri guririke iriya gatigati wekari guri iriya bantabati bwigo imeya Uhuru Superstores nero eduka yuka iyo bwate emixer iyo gwochoganya chirangi wikabunuraganye gwochoganire erangiriga aseduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores na bwokwege namuna ekale aho watagete nigo kwayanyora bwikirano tutarire rero eriwe nyorere abamanyi nabwigo enekenga enyumba yao use asomanyete use chire chibiasara nchibwa tokorelekana okuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero utumikite chirangi cha Crown Paints eduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores yego tokase enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imeyumucho yigo musongo eyuerange neduka ya Safaricom mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyuere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakire simbwetera seti namba chabo 0111161500. Oru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Asegeka k'emyaka 49 ebenki ya Kenya Pamoja Sacco yabere n'umugusi negukinia omugusi ase enengo yae yabere gekurwa obukorere ase kinse mu buno savings loans obosemi bugutumika chibesam na diaspora savings ase bali kinse chimaiko ase wa Kenya Pamoja Sacco yabere ogusira okonene ase abalemi ebyumbe chiskuru chikumpane ao abarikire abaritayire basibali ensemo ya pension boygo abonchereria ibotani na Kenya Pamoja Sacco yonyore obukoreri ubuya ase kinse muna obosemiguru y'ubutumiki bw'ikibesa loan muna development loans, school fees loans, emergency loans, ebyumbe business loans, salaried loans na boygochi advance loans boygo nkorantura muri kibesa ase uri kuse mobile payments kabe oyomo wa Kenya Pamoja Sacco iliyobwego kerie ayo onse na yande amange amaya asamange batarechi abisichabo chire asumu chubusungu kahawa house daraja moja asipara ya kisi sotik sibakire simyasi namba 0746-668-190 kuse ototare website yetu ya www.kenyapamojasacco.com.
Marieta Ngoro kwa Isa Komwenga, CEO wa Kenya Pamoja Sacco. Sacco ya wa Kenya Pamoja ni sake ya kushughulikira members baye na chigurupu chiria chigokora savings wonko bakira bia isoko chara wa Kenya Pamoja Sacco kuna financial institution yao tobwate chibranchi chito ikomena inya chire within gusi wana hintu tora rogo konyo mugusi isoko gendereria ese ebiasara byabo ase